This dance is called White Summer Dress. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance. And it is a little waltz. So we're starting off on our left foot in true waltz fashion, stepping the left forward to the diagonal 130. We're going straight into a quarter fall away. So we step that left forward, we step the right to the side, making 1/8 of a turn to the left, so we square back up to 12 o'clock. Finish the fall away, making a further 1/8 of a turn left as we step back on that left. So we should now be facing 10:30. Step back on the right, make a further 1/8 of a turn left as you hook the left over the right and hold. So that set of steps once more then, into your fall away, stepping into 130. 4, 5, 6, step, side, back, back, hook, hold. Step forward on the left, turn a quarter turn left as you step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Step the right, long step to the side, drag the left beside the right and hold. That set of steps once more then, stepping forward on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, turn behind, side, drag, hold. Let's add that to the top. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn behind, side, drag, hold. So there's no weight on that left foot, so we move off on the left, making a quarter turn left, stepping that left forward, sweep the right around over 2 counts. Into a 3-step jazz box, cross, back, side. So that little set of steps once more then. Turn, sweep off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Turn, sweep, cross, back, side. Let's add that to the top. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn behind, side, drag, hold, turn, sweep, cross, back, side. We're going to add on another 3-step jazz box. So we cross the left over the right, step the right back, step the left to the side. Into a 3/4 turn. So you're going to make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that right. Then immediately pivot yourself half a turn to the left over 2 counts, but keep your weight on that right leg. So that set of steps once more then. Jazz box off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Cross, back, side, turn, pivot. Now it is a 3/4 turn. If you want to try and take that 3/4 out, once you've done your jazz box, cross the right behind the left and pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right. So you're basically doing similar steps to everybody else, but you're only doing a quarter as opposed to 3/4 of a turn. So let's add that to the top. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn behind, side, drag, hold, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot. So hopefully we're facing the back wall. Step forward on the left, sweep the right over 2 counts. Step forward on the right, sweep the left over 2 counts. Nice and easy, so I'm going to add the next section on. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side. Repeat with the right foot. Cross rock, right over left, recover on the left, step the right to the side. Let's just do those last two sections then. Stepping forward on the left. 4, 5, 6. Step, sweep, step, sweep. Cross, rock, side, cross, rock, side. Let's add that to the top. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn, behind, side, drag, hold, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side. So we're now into the tricky section, because most waltzes don't have hand counts in them. This one has 2. So we've just done our cross rock side. We're going to cross the left over the right. Turn yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left so that you are facing the 430 corner, and go back on a back lock back. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, so you're now facing 130. A further quarter turn as you step the right to the side. A further quarter turn as you lock the left over the right. Step back on that right. So we'll go through that slowly once more. Crossing left over right. So cross left over right into your back lock step, like 1/8 of a turn left. This is your first and count. Back, lock, back. Quarter turn left, stepping forward on that left, so you're facing 130. Here comes your next step, lock, step sequence, putting those turns on. So quarter turn to the left, lock the right, left over the right as you make a further quarter turn, step back on that right. You should now be facing 730. It is a 3/4 of a turn, so we'll go through the non-turning steps in a moment. Let's just try and do that a little bit faster. Get that timing in on those and counts. Crossing left over right. 4, 5, 6. Cross, back, lock, back. Turn, turn, lock, back. And we're facing 730. So like I said, 3/4 of a turn. If you want to try and take that out, do your cross, back, lock, back as normal. Rather than turning at this point, step the left to the side. Cross the right behind the left. So you're still facing 430. Step back on that left as you make a quarter turn to the right, so you're facing 730. Step back on the right. So you take that turn out. So the non-turning steps then. Just go through that once more for you. Crossing left over right. 4, 5, 6. Cross, back, lock, back, side, behind, turn, back. So that's the alternative, should you wish to try and take that turn out. Otherwise, it's those 2 back lock type steps. 1 and 2 count timing. So those are where the and counts are in this dance. So let's add that onto the top. There's just one little section left to go. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn behind, side, drag, hold, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, lock, back, turn, lock, back. I was carrying on then. So once you've done that last back step on that turn, lock, back, step the left to the side, drag the right beside the left and hold. Don't put any weight on that right, go into a twinkle, End of dance, start again. So nice easy little section just to finish with. Side drag, hold up on the left. 4, 5, 6, side drag, hold, twinkle. End of dance, let's put it all together. Fall away up on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn, behind, side, drag, step, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivots, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, look, back, turn, lock, back, side, drag, twinkle. So hopefully you managed to follow all of that. Like I say, it's single count timing apart from those two add counts in those back look steps. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Fall the way off on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, side, back, back, hook, hold, step, turn, behind, side, drag, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, lock, back, turn, lock, back, side, drag, twinkle, step, side, back, back, hook, step, turn, behind, side, drag, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, lock, back, turn, lock, back, side, drag, twinkle. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Step, side, back, back, hook, step, turn, behind, side, drag, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, look, back, turn, lock, back, side, drag, twinkle, step, side, back, hook, step, turn, behind, side, drag, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, turn, pivot, step, sweep, cross, rock, side, cross, back, look, back, turn, back, up, side, drag, twinkle, fall away, step, turn, sweep, jazz, step, sweeps, cross, rock, into your back locks, side drag, all the way. I'm burning inside. Been thinking about her every day since I left. Come to think of it, I haven't quit since we met, and I know this kind of talk's overdone. Everyone seems to be bitching about love, but I guess there's a reason. I don't feel ashamed, used to be rather fearful, seeming cliche, but I'm anxious and tired, thinking so much. And before I back
out, I remember your touch and I'm dreaming of you in a white summer dress in the middle of winter when all is a mess and you're looking at me and your steel colored eyes. Yeah, I'm cool on the surface but burning inside.
Hope you managed that one.